Hey, my name is Dave Vickers. I'm a Territory Account Manager with Industrial Networking Solutions. I cover the Northeast Territory based out of Pittsburgh, PA. And my overall goal here is to really provide that excellent customer experience and really treating every customer with white gloves. I would say one of the biggest misconceptions that people have or customers have about Industrial Networking Solutions is that we're just a distributor. And we're really not just a distributor, we're a technology company. We have over 35 engineers that can help support projects in many different fashions. I always tell our customers that we can support them in 3 different ways. We're here to help them source products, help them spec in materials, but we can go above and beyond that, and we can really get into the application itself and learn specifically what the customer is looking to do with the network, and then utilize our multiple resources in our engineering team to help design, configure, and deploy a network. I would say what makes INS unique is we really take the time to understand what the customer's application is and what problem that we're trying to solve for. From my experience working with in the technology industry for many, many years now, some of the other partners that we work with often just want to sell a box and push a box out the door. At INS, it's really nice to see that everybody cares, and we want to make sure that we're recommending the right solution to the customer and really stand behind the products and services that we offer. The trends that people really should be paying attention, and I think this is a common theme in the industry, but AI. AI is really going to change the way that we do anything in our world, especially with technology. A lot of customers are going to utilize AI technology in edge applications, which is going to cause a spike in bandwidth requirements for the network, and how that network flows from the edge to the data centers to the software applications that they have to use. And that's really where we shine. I mean, we can give customers the ability and the communication needs that they have for the bandwidth requirements that AI is going to require. So the one thing that I want people to remember about INS is that we really care about the customer's requirements, the customer's application, and we really want to understand the problem so that we can recommend the right solutions and the right products to allow your business to grow and thrive.